What are fungi and how do they affect human life? With his curious eyes, the young student was reading about fungi and realized that they neither photosynthesize like plants nor have an internal digestive system like animals. He, who had previously divided all living things in the world into two categories of animals and plants, now had to deal with another kingdom of beings that did not fit either animals or plants. Also, he had summarized all fungi into mushrooms. But now he discovered that fungi are a universe unto themselves and play a crucial role in life. Now the student's mind had become more curious and was thinking about what kind of creature the fungus was. Firstly, it should be taken into consideration that fungi have a very long history and must have appeared for the first time about 1 billion years ago. Research on the relics of ancient human teeth indicate that fungi were used as their food source between 10 to 15,000 years ago. Fungi are plant-like organisms. However, unlike plants, they lack chlorophyll, meaning that they are heterotrophs, unable to produce the necessary nutrients by photosynthesis like plants and rely on dead organisms. Although until the second half of the 20th century, fungi were thought to be in the same category as plants, it was subsequently discovered that they have more similarities with animals than plants. For this reason, they were placed in a different group of plants known as fungi. Considering the reasons mentioned, fungi are not categorized as plants, but does this mean that we can categorize them as animals? Due to the reasons that will be stated, fungi are not included in the category of animals because the primary distinction between fungi and animals is how they feed. Unlike animals that have an internal absorption of food, fungi have external absorption of food. Animals, both unicellular and multicellular, ingest food, while fungi secrete digestive enzymes and absorb digestive foreign nutrients. For the second reason, the animal cell membrane contains cholesterol. In contrast, the fungus cell membrane contains ergosterol and some other polymers. Such genetic variations between these organisms show how different cellular organisms, animals, plants, and fungi are. While talking about fungi, most people may only think of mushrooms. Still, it's essential to note that most fungi do not produce mushrooms. They are widely available almost worldwide in various habitats, including deserts, areas with high salt concentrations, and deep-sea sediments. They are widely available almost worldwide in various habitats, including deserts, areas with high salt concentration, and deep-sea sediments. These organisms can be single-celled or multicellular, most of which cannot be observed with the naked eye because of their small size and enigmatic lifestyle on soil or dead organisms. Although humans do not fully understand the role fungi play in nature, according to research, these creatures have a significant role in the balance of natural ecosystems and are widely used by humans in various fields. Different types of fungi, such as yeast, fungal parasites, mushrooms, etc., play an essential role in the decomposition of organic material and the cycle of nutrients in the environment. Also, some fungi decompose dead bodies. Some cause food spoilage, and others can cause skin diseases. In addition to using fungi as a food source, since the 1940s, various enzymes produced by fungi are also used industrially in many detergents. Moreover, it is estimated that fungi may play an important role in the diet of humans in space, from their nutritional benefits to their ability to grow rapidly in dark and confined spaces and their resistance to extremely high radiation levels that are too high and deadly for most of the organisms, including humans. This strengthens the possibility that fungus might grow in other planets and can be used as a food source for the astronauts. The curious student has now realized that fungi are a vast array of creatures, 90% of which are still unknown to humans. The influence of fungi in the fields of medicine, agriculture, space, and as a food resource makes them one of the most vital and interesting organisms that need further studies.